Good morning. This is Leo. It is 7 o'clock. Leo wakes up early and he feels good as he starts his day. Does Leo like coffee? Yes, he does. He drinks it every morning to help him feel ready. Starting off your morning by naming these easy actions, like waking up or drinking coffee, is a great way to practice. Using words for things you already do makes learning feel like a natural part of your life. Now, Leo moves from his bedroom into the kitchen to begin his morning routine. Leo is a student. Since it is the morning, he has some free time before he has to study. He eats breakfast now. He likes simple food because it is easy to make and keeps him healthy. When you talk about your food or your job, you are practicing the basic building blocks of the language. These short descriptions help you get comfortable with speaking about yourself. By the afternoon, the sun is out. Leo heads into the city. He walks to the park. He goes there because he enjoys the fresh air and the quiet space. In the park, Leo meets his friend. They enjoy spending time together on the weekends. They decide to eat pizza. It is one of their favorite foods because it tastes very good. Simple questions about things you both like your favorite food, help you start a real conversation. These small interactions are how you begin to build a connection with other people. After their walk, the two friends go to a calm cafe to sit and talk. Leo talks about music. He enjoys soft songs because they help him feel peaceful. Even though he is with a friend, Leo sometimes feels a little shy or nervous when he tries to speak English. To handle this, he stays calm. He practices his words and speaks slowly so he can think clearly. Describing how you feel on the inside uses the same easy pattern as describing a cup of coffee. Whether you are talking about your lunch or your heart, you are using the same simple way of putting words together. The day is ending. The sky turns a deep purple as Leo arrives back at his home. To relax, he sits down and watches short videos on his phone for a little while. He is still learning. In his room, he writes down notes about what he learned today to help him remember. Leo makes mistakes sometimes, but that is okay. Making mistakes while you practice is a helpful part of how you learn to speak better. As he finishes his notes, Leo feels proud. He can see that he is getting better every day. He plans for tomorrow by setting small goals. This helps him feel ready for the next day. Now it is time to rest. Leo goes to bed early so he can wake up fresh again tomorrow. Speaking a new language comes from these small daily habits. By taking these easy steps every day, you are already moving toward your goal of speaking English clearly.